Okay, so 2 ways to deal with chest dysphoria. One is a DIY style tip. What you can do is you can upcycle a hoodie to add a bunch of pockets and patches and text on the front. Anything that's really busy and loud, maybe darker colors sometimes, will help to hide any chest bumps. So let me show you an example. Cool, so here's a hoodie that I upcycled last week. I found it at a charity shop and I really liked it. I added a bunch of old denim, a bunch of fringe. It's really kind of loud and a bit wild. But most importantly, it's got extra layers on the front, lots of patchwork and color and shapes, which kind of mask any bumps or any kind of grooves happening in the front. If you've got a larger chest, ways that you can even add extra layering to kind of mask anything is to wear a handkerchief or a scarf sort of tied around your neck, and big chain necklaces around your hood as well. Okay, next is a utility vest. Utility vests are really cool because they got loads of pockets. They're really thick fabric, and they tend to do a really good job of adding padding in the front to mask any chest bumps. They're also really wide in the armpit area, so you can add an extra layer underneath. You can wear it open if you want with a hoodie underneath. And that just kind of adds some more bulk. I find it's just a really good distraction. Obviously darker colors tend to work better, but if you've got a light utility vest, it also works. You can also add things like keychains and things to the hooks, which also causes the eye to kind of gravitate to other areas that's not right in this area. So I highly recommend a utility vest. It's also super square and it kind of adds a more masculine, boxy figure to your torso. So yeah, give it a go at home and let me know what you think.